Good morning, students. Today we are going to study about a major life process in humans, that is digestion. Digestion is the process of breaking down of complex components of food into simpler substances so that they can be easily absorbed and assimilated by the human body. For that, first of all, we need to study about the components of human digestive system. Human digestive system has mainly two components. The first component is alimentary canal or gut, which is a tube-like structure modified at certain points. The second component of human digestive system is digestive glands. We have different types of digestive glands about which we will be discussing. Now, alimentary canal or gut is made up of many parts. The first part of alimentary canal or gut is the mouth, or we can say it is the opening of alimentary canal or gut, first opening. The second part of alimentary canal is pharynx, which leads to esophagus, also known as food pipe, then stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and finally the second opening of alimentary canal, which is known as anus. Digestive glands are of many types. Some of them are situated in the alimentary canal itself, and the others are outside the alimentary canal. But the digestive glands which are outside the alimentary canal also pour their secretion into the alimentary canal. Let's have a look. So we have to study about 5 types of digestive glands. Salivary glands, which secrete saliva, are present inside the mouth. Gastric glands, they are present in the stomach and they secrete gastric juice, which consists of hydrochloric acid, some digestive enzymes, and mucus. Intestinal glands are present in the small intestine. Please remember, there are no digestive glands present in large intestine. Now, liver and pancreas, these are the two digestive glands which are present outside the alimentary canal, but they pour their secretion inside the alimentary canal. And to which part do they pour their secretion? They pour their secretion in the small intestine. Let's summarize. Let's have a look again. Alimentary canal or gut is a pipe-like structure which has the following parts: mouth, pharynx, esophagus or food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and anus. Mouth and anus are the two openings of alimentary canal. Through mouth the food is ingested, and through anus the undigested food is egested out, and rest of the food is digested mainly in small intestine. Then digestive glands, they secrete digestive juices which helps in the process of digestion.